Alright, it's been a while since we did a video. I've been real busy lately. I have went ahead and got the door panels fiberglassed. I still got to do some stuff on the back. Still got to cut the back out, sand them down, everything. Still a lot of work left. And there's the other one. We are making some progress. It's just been real crazy lately. So today what we're going to be doing is, of course, working on the back door panels. Got to get these sanded down, still got to cut the back out, like I just said. Do some more test fitting. Trying to get these things finished up. Probably won't get them finished up this week. Just going to try and get as far as we can and go from there. Alright, didn't want to bore you guys with me standing here sanding these door panels down, so we kind of skipped over all that. But we've got them sanded. There's a few spots I'm going to hit with some Bondo glass before I do the rondo. That way they'll hopefully come out a lot cleaner, a lot faster. And there's the other one. I do still have to clean up a few places. I'm not worried about that right now. So we're going to get some Bondo glass mixed up, fill in a few spots, let it dry, we'll sand them down and go from there. Right, we got our bad spots that the rondo wasn't going to fix, took care of on this door panel. Got it all sanded down, looking pretty good so far. Also got the other one took care of. Now before I hit it with the rondo, I'm going to go ahead and cut the back of the door panels out. I'm going to go stick them in the car, test fit them one more time, and start trying to finish these things up. Alright, so fast forward a little bit. Still been real busy lately. Got a lot going on. The rear door panels are pretty much finished up. This is the passenger side. And then gives you an idea of what it's going to look like when they're done. That's the driver's side. So now that the rear door panels are pretty much done, next thing we're going to be working on is the rear deck in the car. It's going to have, I can't remember what all we're going to put in it, but it's going to be just as wild as the rest of the car. Went ahead and got me some measurements. When I got the car, it did have something back there, but it was not the rear deck. It was just a piece of, I don't know if it's plywood or what, but it was just there to hold some 6x9s in. So I've got my measurements. I've got to get them laid out on here, and we're gonna get it cut out, cut some holes in it, put some speakers, and go from there. All right, we got our back deck, our rear deck laid out. Back, rear, same thing. Gonna have 2 6.5s and a horn on each side. We're gonna have a port right here in the middle. And like I said, I had nothing to go off of other than measurements, so I'm hoping that this line back here, as you can see, I've had to make a few adjustments. I'm hoping that the curve's right to it. If not, we will be making it again. So keep your fingers crossed. We got our rear deck cut out. Got it fits up pretty good. I did have to make a few adjustments, but there she is. Gonna have to do something with the sheet metal underneath. It was pretty hacked up from where they put the 6x9s in it. Shouldn't be a problem, just another little step in the process. Still got some work to do on this piece I made, but that's the basis for all of it. You got your 2 6.5s, your horn, your port in the center, and then 6.5s and the horn on the other side. So fast forward a little bit on the rear deck. I didn't video a lot of it. I got to working on it and completely forgot. But for the most part, it's built. You got your main piece back here. Then we did this little insert. Got the Chevy emblem put in it, which will go along with the Chevy emblem in the dash. And all this does is sets in there, just a cover for the speakers. Owner likes it, I like it, so we're gonna go with it. Kind of give you an idea of what it's gonna look like in the car. Pretty pleased with the way it turned out. Next on the list of things to do is the pieces for the C-pillars. We're going to be putting a 6.5 in each one of these. I got to get all this crap off, get some speaker rings put on it, do the fiberglass work to them. That's probably going to be the next video. I know this video's kind of been all over the place. Been real busy lately, had a lot going on. Gonna try and get better about posting videos again. Still working on the car, still making progress, working on it when I can. As far as, like I said, as far as the next video, we're gonna be working on the C-pillars. Gonna be putting a 6.5 in each of those. I'm gonna have to pull the headliner back out. The C-pillars are not quite fitting right. I'm gonna have to make a few adjustments to the headliner and get all that took care of, and then we'll go from there. Still got a long list of stuff to do. So if you like the video, like the build, want to see more of it, consider subscribing, drop me a like, drop me a comment. We'll see y'all next time.